Hello, fellow gunners. Well, I was sitting around here and was going to make I was, I was thinking about making a video, and then I kind of got tired and thought I'd go to bed. But then Uncle Jim posted a video, and my video was on the same subject, so I thought, you know what? I'm just going to make my video and put it out tonight. I'm hoping to get this shot and edited and out because it goes right along with Uncle Jim's video. Now, this is Tuesday, but I went to the range Sunday morning, so like I said, I was just holding off to make this. It seems like I made a video every day this week, and I'm rambling. Anyway, I'm going to get on with the show. So, went to the range Sunday, and I've shot some of Cranky Cletus's bullets. These are 155 grain round flat nose Arsenal. It's Alvin Arsenal. And they're size 3.58, which I wanted to shoot them in my 38 and my 357. But then I got thinking, you know what? Those would make it really good because the nose is actually long. It's not like a revolver type bullet. It's more of like an automatic. And I thought, well, that'll work really good in the 9mm. Hey, I just thought something. This bullet would work really good in the 38 Super. Hint, hint, Willie, hint, hint. Okay, so I'm going to get into some numbers. Now I'm loading this with Power Pistol, and I'm going from 3 grains up to 4.3 grains in 0.3 grain intervals. And my first numbers with the 3 grains of Power Pistol on this 155 grain bullet, which I think I weighed it, it's more like 153. And I'm going to give you you know what? I can show you all these I want, but I'm going to take pictures of them and insert them into this video, along with other things. Okay. Now to get back to where I was, I get sidetracked so easy. 3-point grains of Power Pistol. And that is thanks to the Crazy Scotsman. Thank you, brother, for sending me that powder. It's going to make my testing with this bullet and some other bullets very useful. Okay. My average speed for 3 grains of Power Pistol was 792. Now this is out of my High Point 995 with a 16.5-inch barrel. 792 feet per second with an extreme spread of 51. All right. Now the next load was 3.3 grains of Power Pistol with an average speed of 876 and a extreme spread of 35. All right. And then the next load was 3.6. The average speed was 932 feet per second. And the extreme spread was 39. All right. Now we're jumping up to, okay, now I jumped 0.4 grains. I think I got lazy. I didn't want to keep adjusting the powder measure. So I'm up to 4 grains of Power Pistol. And the average speed was 1,046 feet per second with an extreme spread of 60. Okay, and then the next one is 4.3 with an average speed of 1130 with an extreme spread of 44. And I'm going to insert right now a picture of the primers. The 4 grains and the 4.3 grains are starting to show a little bit of pressure. It's mild. I'm going to do these same loads in my Star BM and see how the primers look in it and see what speeds I get out of it. It's a 4-inch barrel. Okay, so I'm going to insert the primers now. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the target. And it's nothing to write home about, but I mentioned this in my range footage. I only shot 5 rounds in my range footage of the 3.3 grains. And you'll hear me make a remark of it's making one jagged hole and I'm pretty impressed with it. Well, that was this right here. The first 5 was like up in here, and then the second 5, and of course it you know, they went down as they were going faster. I've noticed this in a pistol cartridge, especially in a carbine. The faster the bullet goes, the lower it impacts, which is just totally different from shooting a rifle. The slower the bullet, the lower the impact. And I think because it's just really how the bullets, I don't know. But anyway, that's what I have found out to happen. So I'm going to add all the little extras in and show you this and that, and you know what? I forgot to tell you what the overall length was. I did notice in Uncle Jim's, he kept talking about varying the height of his cartridge, but he never did give us any measurements. So right here is where I'm putting this bullet. And of course, let's try something different here. Let's see if this works. No, focus. Focus, you silly camera, focus. All right, that's better than it was. But anyway, there it is, 1.1055, I think. Yeah. No, it's a 2. In the camera, it's backwards. So it's 1.1025. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm going to put the range footage in now. And like I said, catch you in the next video. All right, guys. We're down at the range. We're shooting some of Cranky Cletus's 155 grain NOE. I'm shooting it in a 9mm, and I'm using power pistol. And I've started with 3 grains, and I went up to 4.3 3.3 grains. And we're just going to see. I've got a target, but I'm not too worried about that because I'm shooting off the bench, but it's freehand. But I want to just pick up on the numbers. And I'm going to shoot 5 on camera here. And this will be 3.3 grains of power pistol. And then just to show you how it shoots. Now I've got a catch bag on here, a brass catcher. And we'll just go from there. I don't remember if I put a shell in or not. Yeah.
I just want to shoot all of it.
All right, that was 900 right there. Yeah, we're going to get over subsonic if. Oh, these are starting to shoot a ragged hole. I'm liking that. All right, now we're back down to 660. I mean 866. $870. All right. That's better. That one jumped up high. I spiked at 900. My lowest was 865. That's not too bad. That's pretty sweet. All right, guys. I'll catch you back at the bench. It's not too busy down here at the range today, so I might end up enjoying myself. There's quite a bit of brass on the ground here, too.